10 stars you probably didn't know were Muslim. Before you watching, please like and subscribe for support. We think we know everything about these celebrities, but did you know that they were Muslim? Here are 10 celebrities that you didn't know were Muslim. 1. Busta Rhymes. Rapper Busta Rhymes is known for being open about his Muslim faith. He has been quoted exclaiming that his faith helps to keep him grounded in life. However, in 2008 he found himself in the midst of controversy because of his hit single Arab Money, which talks about the limitless hordes of wealth in the Middle East and pays homage to Yasser Arafat and Prince Al-Walid. 2. Angelina Jolie. Angelina Jolie is a strong defender of freedom of religion. She recently slammed presidential candidate Donald Trump for his anti-Muslim comments. She's known for defending Muslims and the freedom of religion in America. Jolie visits Pakistan frequently and has been seen wearing the shalwar kameez. Angelina Jolie is known for dabbling in several religions including Buddhism, Christianity, and Islam. She has been reported saying, "I have a Buddhist son and I'd like a Christian and a Muslim child too." She also devotes much of her time to helping people in need and charity organizations. 3. T-Pain. Born Fahim Rashid Naam, Grammy Award-winning rapper T-Pain was raised in the Muslim faith. He has expressed his broad beliefs when it comes to religion, and has said that he does not like that religion separates people. He says, "I try not to put a label on my beliefs. I believe in God, I believe in Jesus. I was raised Muslim. I believe in everything. I believe in Buddha. I believe in whatever it is, I like free will." 4. Zayn Malik. Former member of the pop sensation One Direction, Zayn Malik was raised Muslim. Aside from recent unrest among his fans for leaving the popular boy band, Malik has also been relentlessly criticized by conservative Muslims for not practicing a traditional Muslim lifestyle. 5. Snoop Dogg. In 2009, rapper Snoop Dogg expressed his allegiance to the Islam Nation. He even made an appearance at the Nation of Islam's annual Saviour's Day holiday celebration. He never did explain when and why he converted to Islam. However, in 2012 the rapper claimed to be born again into the Rastafarian faith movement. 6. Mike Tyson. Mike Tyson is most prominently known for being a championship boxer who is an aggressive ear biter. More recently he has made appearances in popular movies like The Hangover and Entourage. Tyson is also very well known for being convicted of rape and sporting a crazy face tattoo. In 1992, the famous boxer converted to Islam, and is arguably least known for his faith. 7. Janet Jackson. Janet Jackson is known for being sexy, subversive, and comes from an immensely talented and successful family. In 2012, Jackson married her third husband, Wissam Al-Mana, and converted to Islam. While she is still actively pursuing her career, she spends most of her time being a devoted wife at home in the country of Qatar. 8. Ellen Burstyn. Ellen Burstyn is known for her roles in The Exorcist, Alice Doesn't Live Here Anymore, Resurrection and Requiem for a Dream. She was raised Catholic but started exploring other faiths. She started with Sufi Islam under the tutelage of a Muslim teacher. It was after that she opened herself up to all faiths and prays to different ones based on her situation. She was given the name HADI by her Muslim teacher. 9. Ice Cube. Ice Cube may not look it, but this rapper is a follower of Islam. He converted to Islam in the 90s and for a while it was rumored that he had joined the Nation of Islam. He says that he was never really a part of the Nation of Islam, and he does not follow the rituals that are associated with being a Muslim. However, he follows the aspect of it that focuses on just him and God. 10. Muhammad Ali. He was born Cassius Clay to a Baptist mother and Methodist father. However, he converted to Islam and was considered one of the first Americans to do so. Just days before his big defeat of Sonny Liston, he joined Malcolm X and the Black Muslims. His focus turned away from boxing and turned toward his faith. He used his faith to avoid conscription, which resulted in him being stripped of his title. 4 years later, the conviction was overturned.